Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install older patches of Terraria or any Steam game. This is using the Steam database. This is basically a website that allows you to access the database codes for all your Steam games, anything that you want. I'm going to be doing Terraria today. All you have to do is look up the codes and download it through the Steam console. So to start off with, you want to get the Steam console up. So what you want to do, you want to go Start, Run, and then type this in. I'll leave it in the description. Press OK. You've got the Steam console. Now what you want to type in is download _ depot, and then leave a space. Now you have to go onto this website, which I'll leave in the description, and type in Terraria. Now what you'll find is an app ID. You want to copy and paste that. A space in between them. Copy and paste it. And now what you want to do, you want to go into depots. You want to find Terraria release, not the Linux or Mac version, and click on the ID. And the depot ID you need to copy next and put it into your Steam console. So you've got your app ID, depot ID, and then you put another space. And now this is where you go into packages, and you go into manifest, and here are all the updates from when Terraria was released on Steam. You want to go all the way down, and here are all the updates that you want. So this is the 1.2.4 update, but I want this update because it's just a bit later. Make sure it is that one. And all you have to do is copy this. If you wanted to download a earlier version, you can copy one of these down, and then all you have to do is go into the Steam console, Control V, copy this, and then press enter. And this will start downloading your 1.2.4 depot. To locate the depot, you want to go into your File Explorer, this PC, local disk drive, where your Steam games are installed, program files.x86 if you're on a 64-bit system, go down to Steam, Steam apps, and then the content. In this folder is where you're getting all your downloads, and this is where you're going to get your 1.2.4 download. I've already got this downloaded, so what I need to do now is go back into local disk, back into your Steam directory, Steam apps, common, and then go into Terraria. What I would advise is copying this folder and pasting it on your desktop, or sending it to a zip like I did, because this just backs up your install, so you don't have to install it again. So then you click on Terraria, and you can copy and paste it into here. But once you get your download, once this has downloaded and you've taken it out of your content, you want to go to 1.2.4.1. This is a compressed zip, but you'll have to extract it first. And then all you have to do is just copy and paste it into this and drag it in. There'll be a bit of like replacing. You have to delete all these files, paste this into here, and then launch through your Steam, play Terraria. That's how you get onto your 1.2.4 patch. That is how you downgrade it. But now I want to install Gamelauncher, so I'm going to go onto the next website. This is Gamelauncher, and you have to find the download folder, Gamelauncher installer. Wait until the download finishes. As you see, I've already done it. Show all downloads. Just wait until it finishes, and then you click on this. And then a notification will come up. You have to just say yes. Next. I accept the agreement. Terraria. Copy program file. Next. And then you have to find your original Terraria assembly. So all you have to do for this is press browse. This PC, go into your Terraria directory. So Steam, Steam apps, common, Terraria, and then you have to click on the normal Terraria icon, which is your 1.2.4 icon. And if I've already installed it, you just have to click on this and then press open, and then next, and then you have to install. But I've already installed it. Now I'll just go on to the next step. So I'm just going to exit that, and then what I'm going to do is just press play from my Steam, press yes, wait until it loads. Here I've got my game launcher. This usually doesn't work at this point. As you see, I've got all these versions downloaded. To downgrade to say 1.1, press downgrade, install version 1.1, start patching. I'm going to close this, but then it'll come up here because I've already got it, and then press launch. Here we are, we're in Terraria 1.1. Here we are. I am actually going to turn the volume down. And then I created a character before, and the resolution is quite bad in some of these versions, but yeah, you're in your old Terraria game, and that's how you do it. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, but I'll see you again.